What I want to do is I want to get this nice and clean here. I want to make sure that there's no debris in here. You follow me? And then what I want to do is I want to really get this bad boy lubed up. So I'm going to lube this up really good. You follow me? Get it nice and lubey. Because you want this to, I'm going to make sure it's not, it doesn't leak. You follow? Then afterwards I'll clean my fingers off. I feel little pieces of like stuff on it. I don't like that. So this is pretty lubed up pretty good. And then what we have to do is we got to get it inside here. You follows? Like that. All the way around. Like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay, now we can bring our pump and just set her right in there. So let's go grab her and we'll do that.